Hey guys, Big Rich here with Ohio Fish Rescue, and check out what we're getting into today. All kinds of different things. Hey Brutus, what's up buddy? Alright, what we're going to try and do today is we want to take these tiles out of here because 4-inch tiles do not work with stingrays. Only the 12-inch tiles, they never come up. You can see in all of our other tanks, we have the 12-inch tiles here, they've never came up once. We have the 12-inch tiles over here. Never came up once. These are big 12-inch tiles. No problem. You know, it keeps us from having to do gravel cleaning and all that. So we want to remove them 4-inch tiles. I'm tired of fixing them. Them little stingrays just pick them up and throw them about wherever they want. And we're going to replace the baby stingray tank with its 1-foot tiles. What's up, Josh? And then over here, my thing is though, because it's a baby stingray tank, we want them groomed, so we want white tiles here. So they're able to hood and suck up the tiles. Now we could go and silicone each one down. I don't want to do all that. We're just going to take these out and replace it with the big white tiles. And we'll be good here. Plus a couple of these are getting big enough to move back out. We've got a couple more babies to move in here. And, you know, go on with things. Oh, look at you. Don't you look good? Look at you. Oh, well, maybe not stable. The marks right there. See on the side right there where it's darker black? That should all be black. And then he'd be stable. So he's still not stable yet. But looks awesome. Now we're thinking of taking, what was her name? Daisy?
She doesn't have a name.
No, she does. It was, his wife's name. I forget, but we're thinking of putting her over here and bringing Herbert back to here. Because over here, Herbert's right there, and then where is the arapaima in here? See, people don't always realize, you know, fish, they hide. Let me tap the side like I got food. See if he comes out from underneath there. Come on, buddy, where you at? Oh, there he is, right here. So, he's out now. But anyways, we're going to take Hubert back out of here and put him over here. We've got a couple other fish that we need to move and change things around. Because this here is more or less our touch tank. And, you know, we'd like to take the turtle and let the kids, you know, touch the turtle, his fins, and his back and stuff like that. And Hubert was a star, you know, he's used to doing that. She eats only the food on the bottom, where Hubert would come up and take the floating pellets. And it was funny, and you know, he looked cool doing it. So we want him back in here. So we're going to move that. The Florida Arowana is doing great. He's gaining some size and some thickness. The goonch is huge and doing great. The jowl's doing great. So we don't want to move them. And then the big pleco we don't want to move. So basically we're just going to move her and then move Hubert in here. So let's get started with this. Okay, I just took the lid off. So now we got an opening right there. There's the cover, the cage. Up here. We're going to drop her in there. And Josh is going to help out since he's here. Here she goes. She's going to flap. She's going to flap for a while. He's like, I don't care. There she goes. Woo! She get you? Now she's in a much bigger place. And since she likes to eat the food off the bottom, it works with this tank because Josh just pours it all in and it makes its way to the bottom here. So that'll be much easier, and now we can grab Hubert. Probably going to need a long net. Where's he at? Yeah, he's over in the far corner. Oh, here he comes. He's swimming over right to me. I stopped there. You want me to get in? You want to video me and I'll just go get them? Okay. Watch out, guys. No, move on away. Oh, they're all coming out for food. Move on away. No food here. Ow. 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 Oh, my ribs. Ouch. Ow. 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 Okay. Now I'm in here. Come on, guys. Move on away. Hubert, don't go that way. Come back this way, buddy. Come on. There you go. No, don't go into there. Okay. Give me the camera. All right, there's Hubert for you. Oh, never hold him on the water. Now he's going over right into the big tank. There we go. Can you hit that water mark thing off? Okay. So now we got Hubert back. He's not as big as her, but he loves the floating pellets, and when we put them in here, he goes after them. So it's a lot more fun to watch. And there we go. He's doing good. He's back. You remember this place, Hubert? Ouch. I just walked into this steel wand. Ouch. Okay. Oh. So that's job one. Now let's move on to the next job. Oh, while we're out here, take a look at these plants. I went in and took out all that string algae, and look at this. Look at how well that plant is doing. Look at these guys. And then all of these, look how well they're doing. I've never had them grow. These plants were the ones that were in Pittsburgh's tank like 2 years ago. And they always stayed very small, very round, and about an inch tall, close to the ground. This is the first time that they're growing like this. They're doing awesome. And they're bushing out and getting thicker, and, you know, they're doing great. Look at this. That's one plant. It's doing great. If you're wondering where all the discus are, they're all up top. We're looking at the plants on the bottom. Okay, now over here at the baby's tank, look how big and fat the puffers are getting. Just doing so great. Look at him back there. He's over 4 inches now. And we put the baby stingray in there with him. And look at those guys. They're growing. The high-fin banded sharks are doing good. And now we got the GATF. I think you guys saw it on Josh's video. He's eating shrimp now. So he's going to start taking off eating. Very nice. The bottom tank is now empty. We almost got these tanks empty, but Josh is going to start, he's going to make a whole video of moving these fish into their new homes. So we're not going to worry about that today. Oh, he's going to move the, are you going to do that now or no? No? Okay. But that's on his plans. Let me see what else we can do here. Okay, so this tank's empty, empty, empty. Empty. Got one dojo loach. We got Rick's cichlids down here. Empty. All of our quarantine tanks are pretty much empty. Oh, while we're walking around, look at this guy. What's up, Godzilla? You're a big old boy. There you are. Hi, buddy. Boy, them other pacu are getting big, Josh. The black pacu, he's getting big. He's almost the size of Betty now. Ouch. I got the albino ones too. Okay, now over here we have this electric catfish taking up this fully 80-gallon tank. And it's an 80 tall, so it's the size of a 55, just super tall. And it's just one fish. So we're going to move him into one of them 40s so that we can take this whole 80-gallon out of here because that's the size of a 55, but it's super tall. It's an 80 tall, and then there's a 40 gallon below. Jerry wants to take his specialty guppies inside. So we're going to do that, and that's going to eliminate this whole tank setup from here. And then we move that tray, and we can set up our shelving system here with the 3-tier tanks. That's just in the process. But these guys think they're getting fed, and I walk by. Same thing with the cichlids. Come over here, and I just put my arm up top, and they'll just come running. And they'll all be right here. And none over there. And none over there. They're all right here waiting to be fed. Poor guys. Fed you this morning. Look at how beautiful. There's that one. And this one. And just gorgeous colors on them. There's that one right there, the strawberry one. These two right here, this one and that one. I love the colors of these guys. Look at that. Okay, let's see what else we can do. Okay. Josh is moving in the gold clown knife in with these guys because he can eat the same food and grow with them. Look how gorgeous he is. See, there's a lot of stuff that goes on that we don't video. Yeah, he's really nice looking. That's a xanthic or a gold. And we have another one over here. Let me show you it. It's in the 750 back here. He's getting pretty big back here. There he is in the back. You go around these guys. Look at the big guy. Okay. There he is there. Regular clown knife and a gold clown knife. What's that, Josh?
I got one more going in over here.
Oh, he's got another fish. Let's go on back over there. Oh, ow. Should have let me know before you went and grabbed him. You put him in 1,000. What is it? Oh, the long nose gar, yes. He was the one that showed up and he was upside down. He wasn't really doing well.
And he had no front fin. It's starting to grow back.
Yeah, he's doing a lot better. Except for, why is he swimming backwards like this? There he goes.
Disoriented from being in the net?
Yeah, he's definitely disoriented. Come on. Snap out of it, buddy. There you go. There you go. Much better. Yeah, he's still skinny. We got to get him feeding. See, there's one front fin is missing here. It's got a little bit of growth on it. There, yeah, now he's doing better. That's a long nose gar. We have the regular spotted gars here. We don't have a long nose gar in here.
There's two big ones.
Where?
There goes a regular spotted long nose there. Like right in front of my finger. Right
I see
there.
you.
And then we got the other one right there. There's 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Yep, now he's sideways. He's definitely long nose. And this guy.
That's a hybrid between a spotted and a marble line.
Right.
That one's a marble line. This spotted.
Yeah, he's definitely got some thickness to catch up to. All right. Anything else, Josh?
Yeah.
What's that? What are you thinking?
We started with the barramundi. He always bites me.
He bites you?
Yes.
Okay. Josh is going to put the barramundi in the 4,500 gallon tank here. So, lighten some of the load on this tank. Nice catch. I didn't think you had him.
Jesus.
Oh, getting me wet. Oh yeah, he fits right in here. And he's got room to grow. He'll get big.
He's already getting big. He's almost doubled in thickness since he's been here.
Really? I know he's eating good. Yeah, sorry that this tank's a little cloudy, but Josh was just changing them socks. He put new socks on the sock table, which is right up here. Them socks right there he was changing, and all the water got cloudy coming out of it. And the first tank it feeds is this 4400. So, where is the barramundi? There's a turtle. Where is he at? Yes, sir.
Next one.
Oh, Josh is moving more fish. I thought you were going to do this one on your video.
Wait.
Oh, the Matoro. Very nice looking. You're getting ahead of yourself because you were supposed to do your video on this. See how he supports the center of the ray so they're not bent up backwards? Ooh. So now we got the two Matoros in here. Nice, nice. Okay. Okay, now Josh is going to attempt to catch. We got this white red devil thing. He was his name is Lips, and then we got, what was it? The other Cinspillus?
Cinspillum, not Cinspillum.
Cinspillum, right there. Those guys attack every new fish in there.
He's got the good looks and none of the good attitude.
He's going after the net. He just put in. Now Lips, we call him Lips because he used to have red all across his lips like it was lipstick. When we put him in here, it proceeded to grow out farther and farther and farther, and then now there's no red left. Yeah, there's going to be no way you're going to catch him.
So a tank that's 6 foot wide or 7 foot wide.
It's 7 foot wide, yeah. He's out of the corner.
He's in here.
Oh, you're going after him.
Going after whichever one I can.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And they're both over on this side. Yeah. All right, well, we'll check back in with Josh after a while. All right, here comes Skylar. She's got a surprise for you. There she is.
I brought a special friend. My brother Brock.
How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How you like the place?
I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah?
I like the big arapaima out there.
Oh, yeah, that's my buddy. That's Brutus. All right. Okay, so we've done all that, and now Brutus wants some food, so Skylar wants to feed him some food. Let's get that before we go. Don't do that, Skylar. That is not funny. Don't do that. Woo! Did he scare you that time?
No.
Yes, he scared you.
Well, he scared me because he bit me before.
Don't ever touch your water and hand of that water in front of the fish that are eating. My goodness. All right, so with that, we're going to wrap this video up. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And we're going to go ahead and sign off and say...
Stay fishy, my friends.
You just stole my line.
I did.
How about we do it together?
All right,
One,
all right,
2, 3. Stay fishy, my friends. There you go. Thanks, guys.